ಸರ್ 3 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು.
ಓನ್ಲಿ 3ನಾ? ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಇದೊಂದಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಹಾಂ, ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೈ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
ನೋ ಸರ್.
ಇನ್ನೂ ಅದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? ಇದಾಗಿತ್ತೇನೋ ಇದು?
ಸರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಇದು.
ಇದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ತನಕ ಆಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವೈ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೇಮ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದೆ
ಸರ್ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಸಿ ಅಂತ, ಅದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ವ? ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ
ಸರ್ ಅದ್ರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಸರ್.
ಹೌದಾ? ಏನಂದರೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈಂಡ್ ದಿ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, find the marginal distribution function of x. Marginal distribution function means that is a cumulative density function, that is CDF, cumulative frequency. You have to write that, right? So what is the definition? Cumulative distribution function, if you have only one variable, that is formula is capital F of x is what? The limit integral minus infinity to x f of x dx. If you differentiate that, we will get density function. Similarly here, for two random variables, what is the definition of cumulative distribution function for x and cumulative distribution function for y? So here f of x y, the problem is c is 3/2. The same problem, previous problem we consider, but here given c values also. C value is 3/2 into x square plus y square, where x lies between 0 to 1 and y lies between 0 to 1 and 0 otherwise. So we have to write the marginal distribution function. So small correction here, this is not density, that is distribution. Marginal distribution function for x, where x lies between 0 comma 1 is given by, this is the formula, that is formula only. Idek bandana definition, we define that. And that is f1 of x equal to probability of x which is less than or equal to x equal to the integral u varies from minus infinity to x. See, with respect function of x, I want distribution function for x only. Therefore, y is fixed, right? Here we will change the variable x to u, y to v. The formula is u running through minus infinity to x, v running through minus infinity to infinity, f of u comma v dv du. So that for u varies from where to where? Minus infinity to x, but your x takes 0 to 1, any other 0. Therefore, we can take u varies from 0 to x instead of minus infinity to x. U varies from 0 to x. What is limits for v? V equal to y. U equal to x, v equal to y, du equal to dx, dy equal to dv. So y varies from where to where? Y varies from 0 to 1. Therefore, the limits here corresponds to y corresponds to v. V varies from 0 to 1, 3 by 2. What is function? Function is f of u comma v. F of u comma v means f of x comma y is x square plus y square. What is f of u comma v? U square plus v square dv into du. Therefore, 3 by 2, u varies from 0 to x. Now I am integrating first with respect to v. See, don't get confusion here. Here, variable x u as the variable. But what we do generally we first integrate with respect to the function having the variable and then constant limit. But here, f1 of x means what? I want a function of x only, right? I don't want constant limit here. That here I want a function of x. That is the distribution function I needed. Therefore, here you have must integrate with respect to v first and then x. Therefore, u square into what is integration of 1? V plus integration of v square is v cube by 3, v power 3 by 3. So upper limit is 1, lower limit is 0 du. So 3 by 2, u varies from 0 to x, u square into integration of v is 1 plus 1 cube is 1 cube by 3. Sorry, not integration, limits for y. Limits for is v is 1 plus v is 1 cube by 3 minus lower limit u square into v is 0 plus 0 into du. Therefore, 3 by 2 u varies from 0 to x u square plus 1 by 3 into du. 3 by 2 into what is integration of u square? U cube by 3 u power 3 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into integration of 1 with respect to u is u. See, integration of x square with respect to x is x cube by 3. V u square with respect to u cube by 3. V square with respect to v cube by 3. Therefore, 3 by 2 into u cube by 3 plus 1 by 3 into u. Upper limit is x, lower limit is 0. So, 3 by 2 u equal to x cube by 3 plus 1 by 3 into x minus 0 plus 0. So, 3 by 2 into 1 by 3 into x cube plus x. Or if you simplify 3 cancel, if you take x, we will get x into x by 2 into x square plus 1. This is your cumulative frequency distribution or marginal distribution function of x. We call it as marginal distribution function when you are having two random variables x and y, or just like cumulative distribution function for x. Now, therefore, what is f1 of x? f1 of x is 0 for x is less than or equal to 0, but that is the function, right? X is less than or equal to 0, the function value is 0. And in the between 0 comma 1 we have to evaluate it. We in the between 0 comma 2 0 comma 1 function is what? X by 2 into x square plus 1, and function is 1 for x is greater than or equal to 1. If x equal to 1, what happen? 1 into 1 plus 1, 2 by 2, 2 to get cancelled, will get 1. So this is your function f1 of x is this. This is the function f1 of x is 0 for x is less than or equal to 0. X by 2 into x square plus 1, that is where x lies between 0 comma 1. 1 for x is greater than or equal to 1. This is your cumulative distribution function for x. See, similarly, we have to write the cumulative distribution function for y. What is the y? Formula f2 of y, or you call it as f1 of y, f2 of y. That is probability of y which is less than or equal to y. Your y u limit is constant. U takes the value minus infinity to infinity, v running through minus infinity to y, f of u comma v dv into du. So that what happen? So u takes the value 0 to 1, y takes the value 0 to correct 0 to y, 3 by 2 into function is say u square plus v square dv into du. Whereas I am to integrate with respect to u first and then y, we get a function of y if you simplify that. But here I am not going to integrate and simplify that. We will go directly, we can apply because what is the function here? Since f of x comma y is what? 3 by 2 into x square plus y square. What is f of y comma x? Is x by y, what happened? So 3 by 2, y comma x is what? Y square plus x square. Therefore, that is a symmetric function, right? Therefore, the only change in the variable, right? F of x comma y equal to f of y comma x. Therefore, since it is a symmetric, we can write f2 of y without integrating, taking directly probability of y versus less than or equal to y 0 for y is less than or equal to 0 and 1 by 2 y cube plus y, or y by 2 into y square plus 1 in the interval 0 to 1, and the function 1 y is greater than or equal to 1. This is the distribution functions for y. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀತಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇನೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ವೈ, this is a function of y with respect to u, first with respect to v. Now whereas here if you write y, we integrate with respect to u first and then v. Simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ same ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, you can write it in this way. Otherwise you go to the definition of marginal distribution function. f2 of y is probability of y is less than or equal to y, u varies from minus infinity to infinity, v varies from minus infinity to y, f of u comma v ಡಿ ವಿ ಡಿ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡಿ ಯು ಇಂಟು ಡಿ ವಿ. ಇದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಥವಾ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಏನು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈ ಥರ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡಬಲ್ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೇ. ಸೊ ಸಿ ದ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲೇನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನೀವು ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾಲೋಡ್ ಬೈ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ f1 of x cumulative frequency distribution. ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅದು. Next, to find the value of the constant c such that f of x comma y is c into 2x plus 5, where x lies between 0 to 2 and y lies between 0 to 3, 0. Otherwise, is a giant probability function of x and y. Hence, evaluate probability of x is greater than or equal to 1 and y is less than or equal to 2. So he mentioned that is a giant density function. So giant probability density function means what is the condition? So yeah, each f of xy is greater than or equal to 0 and double integral over minus infinity to infinity f of x comma y dx dy equal to 1. That must satisfy these two conditions, correct? So that satisfy these two conditions means your c must be positive. If c is negative, f of xy is negative. That is contradiction to the statement of PDF, right? He mentioned that is a PDF, therefore we must have this condition. Next to what I want probability of x is greater than or equal to 1. So probability x is greater than or equal to 1 means what? You can take any value greater than 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. But you observe the function, your x lies between 0 to 2. You can take any value between 0 to 2, right? The upper limit is 2, lower limit is 0, correct? So you can take any value within that interval. Greater than 2 means 1, 2. 1 to 2 you have to consider. If you consider 2 to 3, 3 to 4, the function is 0. Even if you add them, add that integral, that will becomes 0. So we'll get the interval that is greater than 1 to 2 only. You have to count that only, right? Therefore, x is greater than or equal to 1 means, so x is great where it falls 1 lies between 0 and 2. Greater than 1 means, so your lower limit is 1, upper limit for that is upper limit for that x is 2. Y is less than or equal to 2. Y is less than or equal to 2 means what? So less than or equal to 2 means you can take minus infinity to 2. But what is the limit for y? Lower limit is 0. So minus infinity to 0 function is 0 only in the interval 0 to 3. Y takes 0 to 3, function is c into 2x plus y. Y is less than or equal to 2 means what? Therefore, upper limit is 2, lower limit is for y is 0, right? So that is probability of x is greater than or equal to 1, y is less than or equal to 2. First we have to determine c. Solution, we must have the condition double integral minus infinity to infinity f of x comma y dx dy equal to 1. Therefore, what is your limits for x? X varies from 0 to 2, y varies from 0 to 3. So, right? Otherwise, 0. So, therefore, c into 2x plus 5 dy dx equal to 1. So, here both the limits are constant x first. So, but here correct. So c into x varies from 2x is a constant. 2x into integration of 1 is y plus integration of y is y square by 2. Upper limit is 3 and the lower limit is 0 into dx equal to 1. C into x varies from 0 to 2. 2x into y is 3 plus y is 3, 3 square by 2 minus 2x into y. 2x into 0 plus y value is 0 into dx equal to 1. C into x varies from 0 to 2, 3 into 2, 6x plus 9 by 2 into dx equal to 1. C into 6, I'm integrating with respect to x now. X square by 2 plus 9 by 2 into x, upper limit is 2, lower limit is 0 for x equal to 1. C into, if you simplify this, 3x square plus 9 by 2x, put limit is 2 and 0. Now c into 3 into 2 square is 4 plus 9 by 2 into 2 minus x is 0 plus 0, that is equal to 1. C into 12 plus 9 equal to 1. Therefore, c into, so 18, 12 plus 8, 20, 21 equal to 1. Therefore, what is c value? C is 1 by 21. So your C value is 1 by 21. Now we determine C. Now we have to find probability of x is greater than or equal to 1, y is less than or equal to 2. So if you get confused, so less than greater than 1 means you have to take 1 to infinity. No, you start with greater than 1. 1 lies between 0 to 2. Yes, you take 1. You start with 1. Lower limit is 1. What will be the upper limit? Look at the limit for x2. Y is less than or equal to 2. Less than or equal to 2 means y is less than 2, correct? Upper limit is 3. Less than 2 means that is the upper limit. Restrict upper limit is 2. Lower limit is 0. You can write directly 0. So x varies from 1 to 2. Y varies from 0 to 2. Suppose if I ask probability of x is greater than or equal to 1, what I do? We'll take x is from 1 to 2. Y varies from 0 to 3, right? So limit, given limit, just to take for y. So c into function is what? C into 2x plus 5, but c value is 1 by 21 dy dx. So 1 by 21, x square is from 1 to 2, 2x into integration of 1 is y plus integration of y is y square by 2, upper limit is 2, lower limit is 0. So 1 by 21, x square is from 1 to 2, y is 2, 2 into 2, 4x plus 2 square, that is 4 by 2 is 2 into dx, that is equal to 1 by 21 into 4, integration of x is x square by 2 plus 2 into x, upper limit is 1, upper limit is 2 and the lower limit is 1. 1 by 21, 2 x square plus 2x. So 1 by 21, 2 into x square is 2 square is 4 plus 2 into 2 minus 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1 x is. So 1 by 21, 12 minus 4, that is 8 by 21. Thus the probability of x which is greater than or equal to 1 and y is less than or equal to 2 is 8 by 21. This is the probability of that. Next one, look at the next problem. Any doubt here? Any doubt here? Okay, we'll go for next one. Next problem, the joint density function of two continuous random variables x and y is given by f of x comma y is xy by 96. See, this problem already done, but here we are saying expectation of x, expectation of y, we can compute covariance, etc. One more added to that, that is find the probability of x plus y which is less than 3. So f of x comma y is what? xy by 96, your x takes the value 0 to, x takes the limits, interlimit 0 to 4, y takes the limits 1 to 5, 0 otherwise. So find the probability of x plus y which is less than 3. See, what we'll do generally if you have discrete random variables, right? Find x plus y is less than 3. What we'll do? We'll take x variable, I denote x1, x2, x3, y, y1, y2, y3, y4. Next, add the corresponding elements. Suppose x1 is 0 plus 0, 0. That is less than 3. We'll take what is that corresponds to x1, y1, that corresponds to j11, x equal to 1, y equal to 2. You can't do that. You can't consider them because x equal to 1, x equal to 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. I want less than 3. Therefore, we will not consider that. We can take 1 comma 0, or that is x2, that is j21, correct? So we'll write, we know the joint probability, just to add them. Finally, if I add all of them, we'll get that. But here, x plus y is less than 3 over two continuous random variables. So that is integral, right? So we have to measurable quantity, how to evaluate that reason. X plus y is less than 3 means what? We'll take a line x plus y equal to 3. So within that we evaluate within that reason x plus y is less than 3. What is the reason bounded by x plus y is less than 3? You have to evaluate that reason. The reason bounded by the line x equal to 0, x equal to 4, y equal to 1 and y equal to 5. That is a square reason. So you draw a rough sketch, you take x plane and y plane here. So what is the reason x equal to 0, right? X equal to 0 and this is the line x equal to 4. Where is the y equal to 1? This is the line y equal to 1 and y equal to 5. This is the line y equal to 5, that is parallel to x axis, and this is the line x equal to 4. So what I want x plus, see, Therefore, probability of x plus y, which is less than 3, is what? That is double integral over the region R, f of x comma y dx dy. See, x plus y is less than 3. So, what is your coordinate points? See, when x equal to 0, on x-axis, y coordinate is 0. When y equal to 0, what is your x value? We will consider the line x plus y equal to 3. See here, what is this point? This point becomes, this coordinate points 3 comma 0, right? X equal to 3, y is 0, correct? X plus y equal to 3. What is this coordinate points? This coordinate points is what? This is 0 comma 3. On y axis, your x coordinate is 0. X equal to 0. What is y value? Y value is 3. And see, I want x plus y, the reason x plus y which is less than 3. See, line joining these two lines. 3 comma 3, right? This is the line x plus y equal to 3. You may observe x equal to 0, y equal to 3. X equal to 3, y value is 0. And this is the line x plus y equal to 3. But you have to see the limit. What is the limits for x? X should be running through 0 to 4. You can take any value between the 0 comma 4. Y you must take the value 1 to 5. So within that interval you can take any value. That should be x plus y is less than 3. What is y here? Y equal to 1. What is y equal to 1? What is x value? Y equal to 1 lower limit. This is the line y equal to 1, correct? When y equal to 1, what is x is here? X is 2, correct? X is 2, that is y1. So this is the point of where x is 2, y is 1. So what is their sum? X plus y is 3. Therefore, what I have to do? I have to evaluate that region that is bounded by x equal to 0, x equal to 2, x equal to 0 to 2, and y varies from the point m to n, and the line x plus y equal to 3. ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರ ಈ ರೀಸನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಎಮ್ ಎನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ಅದು, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 3, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ವೈ? ಲೋವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ವೈ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ 1, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ವೈ 1 ಇಂದ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, 0 ಇಂದ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 0 to 1 ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್, even if you take 0 to 1, the function is 0. Therefore, lower limit for y, it should start with 1. Now, what is the limit now? See, limit x varies from where to where? This is the point of intersection, correct? 2 comma 1, x equal to 2, y equal to 1. So I have to evaluate this region. Look at m comma n, that is shaded region. I have to evaluate that. That is x plus y equal to 3. That is double integral. I think you have studied the double integral in second semester, right? You know how to change the order, or when given or evaluate the evaluate the region bounded by two parabola y square equal to 4ax and x square equal to 4ay. What we do generally, we'll take point of intersection. So we look at the limit, x varies from where to where, y varies from where to where. Or we fix y is a constant, whereas in that case x varies from 0 to a, y varies from 0 to x square by 4a. That is the limit for parabola. Or you fix y is 0 to 4a, x varies from 0 to y square by 4a. That is the limit. Or find the region bounded by the circle, right? X square plus y square equal to a square. What is the limits for that? If you draw a circle, x varies from 0 to a, y varies from 0 to root of a square minus 6 square, correct? In the first quadrant. If you want area total, that is minus root of a square minus x square to plus root of a square minus x square, where constant limit x varies from minus a to plus a. Similar thing here also. See, y is 1, y start with 1. What is upper limit? Upper limit, no, not worried. Upper limit is 5. So within that you can take any value. X is 0, 0 to 4. You can take any value within the interval 0 comma 4. But the line, the region bounded by what? Region bounded by, I want probability of x plus y which is less than 3. Have to evaluate that region. Therefore, what I have to do? I have to evaluate that region bounded by 2 parabola y square equal to 4ax and x square equal to 4ay. What we do generally, we'll take point of intersection. So we look at the limit, x varies from where to where, y varies from 0 to 1. So how to evaluate the limit? to evolve constant limit. X varies from where to where? I want y. ಅದೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷಪ್ಪ ಕಾಲ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಂಟ್ರಪ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x varies from where to where. See, this is the coordinate point. How to evaluate this region, shaded region, x plus y. So where it's the limits for x? X varies from 0 to 2. ಈ ರೀಸನ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. x plus y is less than 3 I want. X varies from 0 to 2. What is the limit for y? See, to find a limit for y, that is called chord method. We draw a chord parallel to y-axis. Draw a chord parallel to y-axis, that is m comma n. So where is the point m? The point m lie on the line y equal to 1. So this is the line y equal to 1. There is the point m that lie on the y equal to 1. Therefore, what is the limit for y? Y equal to 1. Where is the point n? The point n lie on the line x plus y equal to 3. What is y here? At the point n, what is y? Y is x plus y equal to 3. Y is 3 minus x. ಡಬಲ್ ಇಂಟಗ್ರಲ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. At the point m, y equal to 1. At the point n, y equal to 3 minus x. That means what? As x varies, as x increases, y that covers the entire region. Right? x increase ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಚಾಕ್ ಪೀಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈಗ ರೊಟೇಟ್ ಆನ್ ಆಂಟಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ವೈಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರಿಜಿನ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದು ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ದಟ್ ಕವರ್ಸ್ ದಿ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ರೀಸನ್. ಈಗ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ವೈಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ವೈಗೆ ಬರೋದು ಶೇಡೆಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ದಟ್ ಶೇಡೆಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಕವರ್ಸ್ ದಿ ರೀಸನ್ ವೈ. ಈಗ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಈಗ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಈ ವೈನ 1 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅದೇ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ವೈ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆದರೆ ವೈ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ವೈ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ವೈ ಇಸ್ 3 minus x. So then this covers the entire region, that is x plus y equal to 3. At the point m, y equal to n. At the point n, y equal to 3 minus x. So x varies from 0 to 2, y varies from 1 to 3 minus x. One second. xy by 96 dy into dx. ಇದು ನೀವು ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಮ್ ಎಲ್ ಇದೆ, ವೈ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೋವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ವೈ? ಇದನ್ನ ಈಗ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಿಡಿ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ. ವೈ ಇಸ್ 1, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ವೆರ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎನ್? ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎನ್ ಲೈ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಲೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ಇಯರ್? ವೈ ಇಸ್ 3 minus x. 3 minus x into dx. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೇರೀಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 0 to 2. ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಡಿಪ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇದೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಇಂಟಗ್ರಲ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈಗ ಸದ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿರೋದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ. ದ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೇರೀಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 0 to 2, ವೈ ವೇರೀಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 1 to 3 minus x, ಕೆ ಇಂಟು ಸಾರಿ ಕೆ ಅಂತಲೇ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ 96 ಬಂದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಕೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಬೈ 96 dy into dx. So 1 over 96 integration of square by 2. Upper limit is 3 minus x and the lower limit is 1 into dx. So 1 by 96 into 2, 1 over 192. X varies from 0 to 2. X into y is 3 minus x. 3 minus x whole square minus x into lower limit for y is 1, 1 square into dx. Therefore, 1 by 192, x square is from 0 to 2, x into 3 minus x whole square, right? X we take common, so 3 minus x whole square minus 1 into dx. So 1 by 192, x square is from 0 to 2, x into 3 square is 9, 9 plus x square. So x into 3 square, that is 9 plus x square minus 6x minus 1 into dx. So 9 plus 9 minus 1 is 8, multiply with x, 8x minus 6x square plus x cube. So 1 by 192, 8 into x integration of x is x square by 2 minus 6 integration of x square is x cube by 3 plus x power 4 by 4. Upper limit is 2 and the lower limit is 0. 1 by 192, 4 into x is 2. 2 square minus 2 into 2 cube plus 1 by 4 into 2 power 4. Lower limit is 0, 0, 0. So 16 minus 16 plus 4, that is 4 by 192, that is 1 by 48. Thus the probability of x plus y less than 3, that is equal to 1 by 48. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಈ ರೀಸನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಯು ಕಾಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0 to 2, ವೈ ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 1 to 3 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕಲ್ಲ. ವೈ ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 1 to 3, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 0 to 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಕವರ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಇಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 3 ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಇಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ 3 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ರೀಸನ್ ಬೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್? ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೀಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 3. ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡಿ, ಫಿಗರ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ವೈ ವೇರೀಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ವೇರ್ ಟು ವೇರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಮ್? ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಮ್ ಲೈ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಲೈನ್ ವೈ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1. ಸೊ ವೇರ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಮ್ ವೈ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಸ್ 1. Next, what is lower limit for y is 1. Upper limit for y, upper limit for y means that is a point n. Where is that point n? That point n lie on the line x plus y equal to 3. So what is y at this point, at the point n? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೀಸನ್, ಈ ಕರ್ವ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, y is 3 minus x. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ, ನೋಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. Therefore that is probability of x plus y is 1 by 48. Next one, if the joint probability function of the random variable x and y is given by f of x comma y is c into xy, where x lies between 0 to 2 and y lies between 0 to x, 0 otherwise. So determine c and then find probability of less than x less than 1. So what is the probability between of less than x less than 1? So of is lies between 0 to 2, 1 is also lies between 0 to 2. Therefore probability of x which is greater than of less than 1 means we consider probability of x takes the value 1 by 2 to 1. Y limits 0 to x. Y is fixed. ಕೇಳಿರೋದನ್ನು x ಮಾತ್ರ. x ಗೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, y ನ ರಿಟೈನ್ as it is. Therefore we must have double integral minus infinity to infinity, minus infinity to infinity f of x comma y dx dy which is equal to 1. That is x varies from 0 to 2. So first we have to determine c. For that purpose, x varies from 0 to 2, y varies from 0 to 2 plus 0 to x, cxy dy dx. You observe here limit y as variable. Limit y is a function of x is a constant limit. Therefore here first you must integrate with respect to y and then x. If you integrate with respect to y, that gives a function of x. Then if I integrate with respect to x, function of x integrate with respect to x, I get a function of x, but x has a constant limit 2 in 0. Therefore finally we get the constant value. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ವೈ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಸಿ ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೇರೀಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 0 to 2, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು what is integration of y? Y square by 2. Upper limit is x, lower limit is 0 into dx equal to 1. That is c by 2. C is constant, c by 2 is a constant. X varies from 0 to 2. X into y equal to x square minus x into y is 0 into dx equal to 1. So that is c by 2 is a constant. C by 2 into x square is from 0 to 2. X into x square, that is x cube dx equal to 1. So c by 2. Now integration of x cube is x power 4 by 4. Upper limit is 2 and the lower limit is 0. C by 2, 2 power 4 minus 0 equal to 1. C by 8 into 2 into 4, 2 power 4 is 16 equal to 1. 8 ones are 8 2 the. So C value is half, that is a positive, correct, and greater than or equal to, that is greater than 0, right? Therefore C is half. Now we have to determine probability of x which is greater than half and less than 1. So x is limit for x is 0 to 2. You can take any value within the interval 0 to 2. I want half to 1. So lower limit for x is half, upper limit for that is 1. Therefore x varies from half to 1. 1 by 2 to 1, and y varies from 0 to x. 1 by 2 xy dy dx. Y is fixed. Y ಏನು ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅವನು, right? X is greater than y ಏನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ. So y varies from 0 to x. 1 by 2 xy dy dx. So 1 by 2 limit for x running through half to 1, x into integration. See here also, look at the limit for x, limit for x as limit for y, constant, and which is not a constant. Y is a function of x. Therefore here you must integrate with respect to y first and then x. 1 by 2 x square is from 1 by 2 to 1, x into what is integration of y square by 2, upper limit is x and the lower limit is 0 into dx, that is 1 by 4. uh, x limits takes the value of to 1. So x into y is x square, x into x cube, y lower limit is 0, 0, x cube minus 0 into dx, that is x cube. So 1 by 4 into integration of x cube is x power 4 by 4. Upper limit is 1 and the lower limit is half, that is 1 by 16 into upper limit x equal to 1 minus x equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 power 4 is 1 by 16. So 1 by 16 into 16, you take LCM, 16 into 16, 16 square, 256. So here 1 into 16, 16 minus 1, 15, 15 divided by 256. Thus the probability x is greater than half, less than 1 is 15 by 256. 15 divided by 256. This is the probability of x is greater than half and less than 1. So now, I think next problem. Wait a minute. Take next PDF. I think next 1 hour ಆದರೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಮುಗ್ದೋಗುತ್ತೆ. So we'll start next sampling probability theory. ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅದು. If the 37, if the giant probability f of x y is this, find the, see here also, x is less than 1. Look at the function. If the giant probability function of the random variables x and y is given by f of x comma y is 1 by 8 into 6 minus x minus 5, x takes 0 to 2, y takes the limit 2 to 4, 0 otherwise. I want probability x is less than 1, y is less than 3. So if x is less than 1 means lower limit is, upper limit is 1, lower limit is 0 to 1, y is less than 3. You less than 3, upper limit is 3, less than 3. So what is lower limit for y? 2, 2 to 3. X varies from 0 to 1, y varies from 2 to 3. You take this function, integrate. So here both are constant limit, you can integrate y or x first. So with respect to x or with respect to y, finally we get a constant value. Now one more is here, probability of x plus y, which is less than 3. So again, you draw a line, x plus x axis, what is the limit? X is 0, x equal to 2, x equal to 2, y is 1, correct? When y equal to 2, x is 1. Y equal to 4, that is the line, y equal to 4, y equal to 2. So what is the limits for y? Lower limit for y is 2, right? You take that, y is limit, lower limit for y is 2, x varies from 0 to 2, y varies from where to where? 2 to 3 minus 6. See, this is the coordinate point. How to write that in rough sketch? See, so this is the point y equal to 2. When y equal to 2 means what will be the coordinate? X varies from 1 to 2. So x varies from where to where? The reason is this: reason bounded by x takes the limit 0 to 1, y takes the value 2 to 3 minus x. See, right? I have one more problem. I have two problems ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ given 4 exercise problem. Just I brief that and we'll wind up. We will start sampling theory during next hour. Next hour ಅಂದರೆ ನಾಳೆ Thursday you do not have class and Saturday ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನನಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೆನ್ನೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಮುಗ್ದೋಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಇವತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ದಿನ ತೊಗೊಳಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಬೇರೆ ದಿನ ಅಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ಬರ್ಡನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಡೈಲಿ 3 hours ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 1 more hour. ಇವತ್ತು 4 hours ಇದೆ ನನಗೆ. 8:30 to 10:30 ಮತ್ತು 11:50ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು 3:30ಗೆ ಒಂದಿದೆ. ನನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಬರ್ಡನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಯಾ ದಿನ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ. ಬಟ್ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಗ ಮುಗಿತಾ ಇದೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ. ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆದರೆ 3 unit ಇಸ್ ಡನ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆದಾಗ. ಈ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ನಾನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಬ್ರೀಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ. 2 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 2 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಐ ಗಿವನ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಬ್ರಷ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನಾನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಮೈಂಡಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ. ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ರೀಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋ ಉದ್ದೇಶಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 2 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅವರ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಸಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ನೆನ್ನೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇವತ್ತು 5th ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತಲ್ವೇನೋ ಟಾಕಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ, ನೀನು ಕಳಿಸಿರೋದು ಇರಲಿ
ಸರ್. ಬಟ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ಗೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರು ಸರ್.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
ಸರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ಸು ನಡೀಲಿಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅದು ನಡೀಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಸರಿ, ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಟೆಂಡೆಡ್ ವೆಬಿನಾರ್ ಅಂತಲೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ರಿಪೋರ್ಟಲ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಬಿಡೋದು, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ, ಬೇಗ ಮುಗಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ನೀವು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಈಗ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, y2 ಇಂದ ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಲೋವರ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ y2, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸಿಂದ ತಗೊಂಡು x + y < 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ತಾನೆ ಈ ರೀಸನ್ ಆವಾಗ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಶೇಡೆಡ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಇವಾಗ x ವೇರೀಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 0 to 1. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, 2 ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್, ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗೋದು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಥರನೂ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾರ್ಡ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಯು ಡ್ರಾ ಎ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಟು x ಆಕ್ಸೆಸ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ವೈನ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಲೋ ಟು ವೇರಿ. ನೀವು ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದನ್ನು ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ದಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಂತೇನು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಡಿ ನಾಟ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಟು ಚೇಂಜ್ ದಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್, just have to evaluate that reason. So what is your limits for x and y? That is what I want ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಚೇಂಜ್ ದಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಮೆಥಡಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ. ಡಬಲ್ ಇಂಟಗ್ರಲ್ಲು ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ನ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು y ವೇರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅಥವಾ ವೈನ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೇರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮೆಥಡ್, ಅದು ಡಬಲ್ ಇಂಟಗ್ರಲ್ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Okay, anyway, we'll continue during next hour. I will complete this unit, and probably next Saturday you have class. Thursday you don't have class ಅಲ್ಲ. ನಾಳೆ ಇದೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸು? ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾಳೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಫ್ರೈಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೇ ವೈಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆಲ್. ಏನೋ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕೇಳಿ ನನ್ನನ್ನು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.